Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the recorder captures clean audio and video. Grant microphone and camera access, then pick your input sources. Choose mic plus system audio if you need both. Next, set your file type and quality. MP4 with a medium preset balances size and clarity. Once done, verify the save folder so you don't lose clips. Hit the small record button to start. This kicks off the capture and creates an initial temp file in the chosen location. While recording, manage the session with hotkeys and on-screen controls so your hands stay free. You should watch audio meters. Keep peaks under -6 dB to prevent clipping and ensure clear voice levels. If you need to change what's captured, swap scenes or sources with presets rather than stopping. This preserves one continuous file. Use markers for important moments so editing is faster later. Make sure to pause between segments to reduce dead air when you need to reposition or change settings. To finish, stop recording and immediately play the clip to confirm audio and video recorded as expected. This avoids surprises later. If you need small edits, use the recorder's trim or export tools to cut noise and save segments. For persistent audio/video sync issues, remux the file or apply a sync offset in milliseconds. This corrects drift without re-recording. If the file failed to save, check disk space and permissions, then retry recording to the confirmed save path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.